Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Toyota Corolla tail light bulb. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged for safety. Checking your owner's manual will confirm the exact bulb type you need, which is crucial for a proper fix. Now, open your trunk and find the small access panel or trim piece located behind the tail light assembly. You'll need to carefully remove any screws or plastic clips holding it in place. Once those are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back from the vehicle. It might feel a little snug, but it should come free. With the tail light assembly free, locate the specific bulb socket for the tail light. Twist the socket about 1/4 of a turn counterclockwise to release it from the assembly. Now, carefully pull the old, burnt-out bulb straight out from its socket. Take your new bulb and firmly push it into the socket until it clicks securely into place. To finish up, reattach the bulb socket by twisting it clockwise into the tail light assembly until it locks. Carefully guide the entire tail light assembly back into its opening on the vehicle, ensuring all clips and screws align. Reinstall any screws or clips you removed. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new tail light to confirm it's working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.